Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an epic fitness app showdown, Openfit vs Beachbody. With 2025 bringing fresh updates and features, it's the perfect time to figure out which one will supercharge your workout routine. Whether you're a beginner or a fitness pro, let's break this down step by step so you can make an informed choice. First up, let's talk about Openfit. This app has evolved big time in 2025, offering AI-powered personalized workouts that adapt to your fitness level, goals, and even your daily schedule. It integrates seamlessly with smartwatches and health trackers, making it super convenient for tracking progress. Plus, it boasts a huge library of on-demand classes, from yoga to high-intensity interval training, all at a budget-friendly price point starting around $10 a month. On the other side, we have Beachbody, the OG of home workout apps. It's all about community and motivation, with live classes, celebrity trainers like your favorite influencers, and programs designed for real results. Beachbody's strength lies in its structured challenges and supportive online groups, which can keep you accountable. However, it might cost a bit more, around $15 minus $20 per month, and it's less customizable than Openfit. Now, let's compare the key factors. For workout variety, Openfit edges out with its adaptive AI, but Beachbody shines in group energy and fun themes. User interface? Openfit is sleek and intuitive, while Beachbody feels more social and engaging. Pricing-wise, Openfit is the winner for value, but Beachbody's premium features justify the extra cost for some. One downside for Openfit is occasional glitches with device syncing, whereas Beachbody users sometimes complain about less personalization. So, which one is better? It really depends on your needs. If you crave tailored plans and tech integration, go with Openfit. But if you're all about community vibes and structured programs, Beachbody takes the crown. Both apps have free trials, so test them out yourself. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more fitness tips, and drop a comment below. Which app are you choosing? Stay fit, and I'll see you in the next video.